Our approach to sustainability is very much core to our business strategy and RBC's stated purpose, which is to help clients thrive and communities prosper. We see sustainable finance as a significant growth opportunity for our business and our clients. Earlier this February, we announced an update on our strategy with an increased commitment to mobilize $500 billion in sustainable finance by 2025, after achieving our initial commitment of $100 billion in sustainable financing, significantly ahead of our original goal. Our sustainable finance commitment includes environmental and social transactions from all lines of business in capital markets. To track our progress and drive engagement and accountability, we've embedded this commitment into our management and business scorecards. In addition to setting an expanded sustainable finance target, at RBC we've also made a number of other commitments, including achieving net zero emissions in our global operations annually, reducing greenhouse gas emissions by 70%, and sourcing 100% of our electricity from renewable and non-emitting sources by 2025. Reaching net zero emissions in our lending portfolio by 2050, aligned with the global goals of the Paris Agreement. And finally, advancing diversity and inclusion across RBC, including setting executive representation goals for Black, Indigenous, and people of color, as well as for women. We have two key priorities for 2021. First, to further integrate ESG across all of our businesses and sectors. Since launching our Sustainable Finance Group in January of 2019, we've seen great success in many areas, including power and utilities, energy, our debt capital markets business, corporate banking, and equity research. We're focused on further embedding ESG factors across all of our businesses and sectors, with a focus on advisory and financing products and services to truly drive ESG into all of our client interactions. It's a core part of our business strategy, and we see an opportunity to further empower employees to continue helping our clients achieve their sustainability goals through ESG ideas, advice, and innovation. Second, a key commitment is to achieve net zero emissions in our lending portfolio by 2050. We're working with our group risk management colleagues on measuring and analyzing financed emissions to better support our clients in the transition to the net zero economy. This involves integrating broader ESG data, including emissions data, alongside the existing holistic approach that we bring to client relationships to provide additional advice and financing strategies around transition pathways by sector and by region. The summit provides a terrific opportunity to connect with industry peers and clients on this very important and emerging topic. These conversations are critical for sharing ideas, best practices, and evolving how we as a global business community and society shift to a more sustainable future. We at RBC appreciate the opportunity to be involved and engaged in this very important dialogue.